Hey you guys, that's your girl Kayla B. You know when I'm coming at you with another video. It's another video. Don't mind my eyes. I literally just came from a nap. I was working all morning and then I went and did some errands and then I came home and I took a nap. That's the reason why when I go to work I really don't wear makeup that much or just do my brows and a little lippy because I usually fall asleep after I come home from work. And then I do the rest of the stuff that I have to do the rest of the day. Like I have to go grocery shopping, I have to pick up my medication, I have to do a lot of stuff. I gotta pick up my uncle's medication. My uncle's in the hospital right now. I gotta do a lot of stuff today. But I had to take a nap. Like I don't know why. I don't know why that is, but that's what it is. I don't know. Oh, by the way, hey, I'm Kayla Beauty. If you haven't noticed, I do beauty on this channel, but I also do other things, and also I talk about my life. I ramble on. So let's get into Boxycharm unboxing of December 2021. This actually came to me like the second week of December. Why am I putting the third week? I have no idea, but here it is. I just wanted to put other content out before this. I just wanted to put my Ipsy unboxing before this. I hope this is better than my Ipsy. It's literally just been sitting on my table waiting for me to unbox. So let's unbox it, okay? If you don't know, Boxycharm is $25 a month, but in January it will be $27.99 plus tax. When I heard that, I was like, are you serious? So it's gonna be over $30. $27.99 is how much it was after tax for $25 for me in New York City. That's like $28 and that's $3 more. 28, 29, 30, 31. That's $31. $31 for a box that you get over $125 worth of product. I mean, it doesn't sound that bad, but when you had it from 21 now to 31, and before when it was 21, they didn't have any tax. Oh, by the way, I got a fridge. Finally, I got my new fridge right here. So yeah, finally, right? But they still haven't fixed my heat, and that's the BS that we're talking about. Like, they give me a refrigerator, they give me a stove, so I could have like Christmas at my house. Basically, I have light, I have everything else, everything's fixed besides my heat. So when it gets super cold, I am getting sick. I have gone to the doctor twice already. One for sore throat, and then the second for my cough. I went to the throat, nose, and ear doctor. They gave me freaking nasal spray and everything else. My sinus has been acting up because of the freaking thing. I even had an asthma attack. I had to go into the thing and do hot water, and I got prescribed an asthma pump because of it. Because of it. I have had asthma since high school. High school is weather related. It's either if it's too hot or too cold. I like to be in the middle. So I always be in the house either with, AC on when it's hot or, heat when it's cold. So I know how to prevent me having asthma attack. But now I can't even be in the house. It's cold. I have to keep an oven on for heat. And they're talking about, oh, heat's on in the building. Yeah, heat's on in the building, but not in my house. Anyways, again, rambling. I mean, it's better than how it was before. I wasn't able to do videos like this. You saw the mold in my videos. Like, I was literally living with mold, like, for a whole almost 2 years. So I understand it could be worse, because it was worse. But it's just, you want to fix everything at the last minute, because the lawyer said after later on this thing, then that's when we could go to court, because at the end of the day they're not fixing everything. So they're probably going to fix it after Christmas. They're probably going to fix my heat after Christmas. That's what they've been doing. They've been fixing it later. Everything been later. Anyways, let's get up into it. By the way, there are 5 full-size items in this box, so let's go. I don't know. I saw my variations for my choice item, and the only thing I want is the highlight and the serum and the liner and the lip mask. Those are the ones that like intrigue me. But you know me and my luck with subscription boxes, that might not even happen. That might not even happen. Anyways, the theme is Gift of Glam. I don't know how it's Gift of Glam with most of the boxes are skincare. But let's get up in this. I got nothing I wanted besides one thing in my choice item. Okay, let's just get in this box. Let's get in this box, even though 2 out of the 5 products. It's crazy because Ipsy was 2.5 out of 5. This is 2 out of 5. Maybe 2.5. I don't know. That's pushing it. Anyways, let's start off with my choice item. This is Algenist eye cream. This retails for, I know it retails for a lot of money, $68. This triple algae eye cream renewal balm targets eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark circles and bags and puffiness, lines and wrinkles in just 10 days. And that's kind of what I need right now. If you haven't noticed, again, I've been working so hard. I've been going everywhere for my family and also working and also doing finals. And it's just, well, finals is over when I'm talking to you right now, but I've been doing so much stuff that I got bags under my eyes. When did that ever happen? And I haven't been using my eye patches. See, that's why I use my eye patches, and this does not want to open. Let me try with a brush to open it. That's usually what I do, is use my keys or a brush, end of the brush. There we go. To open it. Ooh, I like it. It's like glass, frosted glass packaging with a heavy metal top. Ooh, it doesn't have a seal. That kind of makes me think. Or does it have a seal and it's on the top? This has 0.5 fluid ounces, which most eye cream does. Some eye creams have 0.8 fluid ounces. Like the big thing of the Kiehl's has 0.8 fluid ounces. So yeah, cool. This is good for 12 months. So after opening, it's good for 12 months. So I'm definitely going to be using this. My Murad eye cream is running low, so I'm definitely going to be trying this. I mean, I do have my Kiehl's eye cream, but I'll use this before that because I want to try this, and I already know how Kiehl's eye cream is. All right, so the next thing is something I'm just not into because I never tried this brand. I don't think so. I think no, I didn't try. I never tried this brand. And I never wanted to. This is like an Etsy brand. This is Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus face palette. This incredible soft and blendable luminizing and blush palette gives you instant color payoff, glides onto the skin seamlessly to deliver a healthy lift from in flush of color. This is transition and long last wear. This gives transition and long last wear even on oily skin. This retails for $48. Now I like blush and highlight palettes, but because of some blush and highlight palettes that I got from Boxy, I don't think that they know that I'm this deep, like, or they think that I could pull it off. I don't know. I don't know what's going on in their heads. But it looks just like the packaging. It's cruelty free and vegan, paraben free, talc free. It says share your pics, blah blah blah. That's 12 months after opening, and these are the shades. Kind of want to take this off, yeah. I mean, I could definitely use this blush right here, the Creamy Rose blush. I could definitely use the Dewdrop highlight Chapter, the Golden Harvest highlighter. I could definitely use this, but I was kind of hoping for that peachy highlight because that peachy highlight is amazing. And I don't have a peachy highlight in my collection, so that would have been great. I mean, I could buy it for $6, but why buy it when it could have been in my box? That's what I always say. It's like, why buy the eyeliner that's like $6 or the other thing that's $6 and spend more money, even though I spent a lot of money on the holidays, and buy that when it could have been in my box? Because I said I want eyeliners. I said I want, I mean, I actually got a highlight, so I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's just, what I'm going to do with this blush on my skin? What am I going to do with this blush on my skin? Petal Silky Pink. I mean, I can always, you know, mix it in with Creamy Hibiscus. I can mix it in with Goldest Nude. I'm going to try to make this work. But I'm upset about this. I'm not holding it. I'm not holding it in. I'm upset about this. And I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. Like, I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I got to go through my blush palettes first. I'm doing a series where I go through my stuff that I have and see if I'm going to keep it at the end of this year or not. That series is coming, so I'm filming it, and I'm just like, I gotta go through my blush palettes first to see if I should use this, because that's the reason why I didn't swatch it. And again, that retails for $48. Let's just keep on going through this. This is Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo, $24. You guys know I've been getting into sponges really much lately. Do I have to? Oh yeah, I do. I have to rip this before using this. This is not like a weed packet where you could just open it without ripping it. I got to rip it to open it, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to use them yet, but I've been really into sponges. I've been using this sponge. This is the color Rain sponge, and I've been into it. With sponges, I go on and off because usually I like brushes more than sponges. But like when my brushes are dirty or when I have lack of foundation brushes, sponges are the way to go. So, okay. And I like to use one sponge until it's like messed up and I throw it away, then I use the other sponge. So it will be a while until I test these out. But again, a beauty tool, so I can't get mad at them. They gave me a highlight, they gave me a beauty tool. I can't get mad at them. So together, these are half a point. I mean, together, I mean, by itself is half a point. Together, it's a point. Eye cream, a point. Obviously, I chose it, and that's what I needed, especially when I read about it, and I read what it does, and I saw people actually say that it does what it claims. So I kind of want to test it out. And then these, it's not what I wanted. And then this lip liner, are you serious? This color? Are you serious? This is the Mellow Lip Liner gel lip pencil. It's $15. All I gotta say is this is not a color for me. I already have two lip liners that are not. Yeah, I'm selling this on my Macari or my Poshmark because I know this color. I have this color and I don't need another one. Yes, it's a different formula and that would be great because it's a different formula to have that type of color, but no, I'm selling this. I'm selling this. I just don't do lip liners. And I told them on my thing, I said, I want lip glosses, lip masks, lip treatments, lip oils. I said, I want lipsticks. I said liquid lipsticks. But I did not say lip liners. I said no lip liners. And they gave me a lip liner. They gave me a lip liner with this color. That's how I know they didn't think that I was dark skinned. They didn't think, like, no, they didn't. They didn't go for my profile, because what I'm supposed to do with that pink blush and what I'm supposed to do with this? I'm selling this. That's what I'm selling. I'm going to try the blush palette, try the sponges, but I probably won't like them. The last thing is the lip mask in Vanilla Bean from Whish. I really do like this. I wanted to try this. I heard it's like a Vaseline texture, and it smells like vanilla straight off the out the box. So I'm excited, and it has Wish on the inside. That is so freaking cute. And this actually retails for $32. And look, it's like an actual jar with Bacachuli, Bacachol. Oh, it does smell like vanilla, and it does smell like Vaseline, but it smells more like vanilla. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. And I heard that it's a thin texture, like a lip oil. And I really like that type of stuff for at night and in the morning after scrubbing. So I really like that. Again, people have preferences when it comes to lip mask. Some people like thick, some people like thin, some people don't care. Because thick in the winter, that's great. At night, just at night, that's great. But if you're gonna wear this as a morning and night lip mask, you want it thin. So that's what I like to do. I like to use my lip mask in the morning and night. I'm not mad about the ones that are thick, that I just do at night. But it's like I'd rather have a lip mask that I can open up and I can use in the morning and at night. And I don't have to just use it at night, you know? And use something else in the morning. So I'm glad for this. So again, I'm happy about a lip oil that I chose, and I'm happy about this. Oh, by the way, Ipsy actually is sending me my lip oil. Yeah, I had to go through a whole thing with the bot and to get through customer service and everything else just to get a lip oil that I chose. So Ipsy messed up, Boxy messed up, but actually Boxycharm is 3 out of 5. This is the point. These two together is a point. This is the point. If I did not see that they had an eyeliner and a peachy highlight and a hydrating serum, I would have been excited about this box. If I did not see the spoilers, I would have been excited about this box. Because again, I got a highlight. I said I wanted highlights. I got a blush. You know I'm about blush. I said I wanted stuff like this. I would have been okay with not using that or mixing that with one of the highlights to create it deeper on my skin. I would have been okay with that. I would have been okay with getting sponges because it's tools. You know, I would have been okay with this. And it probably would have been a 4 out of 5 box. But because I saw what I could have gotten with my choice item, it's a 3. It's a 3 out of 5. Still a C. Still passing. It's just, it's not like Ipsy where it just like totally kapoots. But you know, it's good. It's just, this is not how you end the year. You're lucky I chose my item next month, and it's the pharmacy freaking serum. You're lucky I chose my item and I need a hydrating serum. I need a plumping serum. That's the only reason why I needed a plumping serum. You're lucky, because I would have canceled. A lot of people canceling because you already did the upgrade Boxycharm. Anyway, that's it for this video. This is my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Have a great day. Have a great night watching this. And what did you guys think about my variation? And I know you don't see this variation that much online because I didn't see this variation online. I saw other variations of my choice item. So what do you guys think about this? Do you guys like it? What's going on? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, remember, after taxes is $31. Are you really willing to pay $31 for a mystery box? Because that's basically what it is. Sometimes you get disappointed and sometimes you're like, yes, this is the best box ever. So again, are you ready to pay $31 a month for a different mystery box that could disappoint you or make you happy? Make your month or break your month. Are you ready? If you are, link will be down below. Deuces. Video right here, head right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, boo.